Hey friends, if you encounter the error Office isn't licensed properly, then please watch this video. Now, ideally to check the Office license, you can click on File and then you can select Account. And if it shows license here, then it's okay if it says product activated. Else, you will have to check whether you actually have the license or not. So open Microsoft Edge, not any other browser, only Microsoft Edge. Go to office.com. Okay, it comes with the name Microsoft 365, but it's still Office. I mean, that's the newer name, but it's still office.com. Now log into it, click on your profile picture here, select My Microsoft account, wait for the few seconds till it loads, and then you can go to this section on the list on the left hand side which says services and subscriptions or subscriptions. Okay, you can close any pop up that comes up here and then go to subscriptions. Now scroll down and it shows under the section products you have purchased all the existing products you have. Like my Microsoft 365 has expired, so I use Office and Home 2021. You can download the exact same version of Microsoft Office from here, but if you have an existing subscription and it still doesn't show here, then all you need to do is restart your computer. Right click on this button, shut down and sign out, and then restart. Or if you're using an Office managed system and it is managed by a server and a server admin, then you will have to contact them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.